My name's Cameron. Come join me and my friend Liam in this vlog style video for a little day trip out of Yogyakarta, Indonesia. Okay, we're on for day 2 in Yogyakarta. Liam has hired us a little bike, so we're going to go for a bit of a road trip today. Maybe down towards the beach and just go for a bit of an explore. Should be a fun day. It's already midday. We've just had a very chill morning, doing a little bit of journaling actually. And yeah, we'll just see how this day pans out, see where it all leads us. Okay, here we go on a trip to Yogyakarta Beach, and first time riding bikes since Bali. Of course, I'm not riding it. I'm in the hands of trusty Liam with his official Indonesian driving license. This is not the nicest beach I've ever been to be nice. What do we got here? Got some lovely fried seafood here.
Hello.
Which Liam's gonna eat? Crab?
Crab.
What do we think?
Really crunchy.
Really crunchy.
Really crunchy.
Tasty?
Yeah, it's good.
Good.
It kind of tastes. They all kind of taste the same.
Yeah, it's just all the same thing.
It's just all really deep fried.
Nice.
Full on.
Nice. Crunchy, yes. After a quick fried seafood snack, we wanted to go check out the view from the mountain cliffs overlooking the beach, so we took the bike up the steep hills. What are we thinking so far, Liam?
Are you filming? Yeah, look. It's been a day, many ups and one down.
One big down.
One big down. That's alright, I've still got 9 demerit points after this.
Liam's got a fine back in Australia. He wasn't wearing his seatbelt properly, and he's copped a $420 fine. And how many demerit points? 3 demerit points. Not too bad. Pretty expensive though. Yeah, not a good thing to happen whilst you're on holidays.
I wasn't even fucking driving.
Oh man. Well, at least there's a good view. Okay, we're gonna go and find a waterfall now after we're seeing that lovely view. Let's go chase some waterfalls.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Let's hope we can get there. Bagus! We have stumbled across some cool landscape here. On the bike, I'll show you. This is freaking sick. Got Liam on the bike. That's gnarly. Look at this. Oh, hell yeah. Whoa. Damn. Nice. This place is incredible. I'm having so much fun. Oh my God. Look at this waterfall behind me. And look, check out this view. Check out this. The water is just so clear. I think this has got to have been my favorite day of the trip so far. I mean, we're only 9 days into it, but this has just been incredible. Exploring on the back of the bike, Liam driving. His motorcycle skills are incredible. What do you reckon, Liam?
Yeah, sick.
Yeah, sick.
Great drive today.
How far to get home? An hour. Oh well.
That's okay.
That's all right. We better do it before it gets completely dark. Yeah. We're heading back now. Today has been epic. What do you reckon, Liam?
Nice trip with Cammy. Bike's running well. It's so much easier and more joyful to get around Indo on a bike than any other way. Bit of a choose your own adventure kind of day. Got out of the city for the first time in this trip, really. We left the city and yeah, it's been lovely. You can see the rice paddies around us.
Yeah.
It's really local. And look at these kites. Look at the kites.
Oh shit. Look at this. What the? That's crazy.
Whoa.
Here we go. This is Kite Festival 2026. Just when you think the day is over, Indonesia gives you one last little surprise. All right, well, we'll end it there.